A little update on the tropical stuff. Again, avocado, the Bombay mango, and the East Indian. I don't think they're coming back. Well, right now, let me tell you, 1 second, folks. There's so much stuff. I gotta find out what this one is. Okay, these are the clementines, orange. They're coming along real good. Dwarf Julie mango, coming along. Key lime tree dead. Alright, star fruit, everything coming along. This is the cherry or Barbados cherry. Look how beautiful it's springing up. This is the pimento, the apple, springing up nice, springing up real nice. Take these off. Take these leaves off, but they're drawing energy from. Come on, baby. Yeah, they're drawing energy from the buds. June plum. June plum. Another June plum starting to blossom. The other one. Guava springing up nice. Papaya. Let me see what's going on here. I don't know if these are blossoms or what coming up, but I'll keep you guys updated. Hold on. Back here. I don't know if this is gonna come, but I got some. Let me see. Not them. All you gotta do is shake them and see if they're gonna survive. These are okay. I got some right here. Got some new buds for the other June plum tree. Got some here, and this tree right here. I ordered this tree, and oh, what did I order it? What did I? Hot plum, and it accidentally sent a June plum. I think I told you guys that story already, but it's alright as long as it produces. And also, this one is starting to blossom again. But oh, jackfruit, I try to see if it's gonna come back. Hold on. Oh, it's coming back. Jackfruit is coming back. See? See? Jackfruit is coming back. And I was gonna get rid of it. And this all happened from that freeze. Even though they were in the basement, I wasn't here and I kept the basement at one temperature. So that's what happened, folks. Another update on the tropical stuff. I can't wait to get some cherries from this tree. Alright. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.